Hello and welcome back, guys. This is Ibrahim Quraishi here, and today I'm going to discuss what's new in vCenter server. I have done a full video on all the features which I like. Link in the description below. I have got the permission to share this content with you. Special thanks to VMware, Corey, and Amanda for sharing these slides with me for creating my content. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Ibrahim Quraishi. My Twitter handle is Ibrahim Quraishi, and I have been an B expert last year and this year as well. My blog is agileops.co.uk. Be sure to subscribe to my blog and my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So this is a quick disclaimer. If you have any questions, reach out to me. So let's look into multi-homing feature. So VMware basically has now said that you can have multi-home enabled on your vCenter server. So you can have multiple NICs. As you can see in the scenario here, we have 1, 2, 3 NICs. What we need to remember is NIC 1 is reserved for vCenter HA. So you need to make sure the NIC 0, which is basically going to be the first one. So maximum NICs limitation is 4 per vCenter at the moment.